If you spend long hours typing, you know how important it is to protect your wrists and maintain good posture. This wireless ergonomic keyboard offers a scientifically designed solution that reduces strain and keeps you comfortable throughout the day. At the heart of this keyboard's design is a pillowed wrist rest that provides 54% more support compared to standard models. It also reduces wrist bending by 25%, helping to prevent discomfort and fatigue during extended typing sessions. The curved split key frame further enhances comfort by reducing muscle strain on your wrists and forearms. This design works as a subtle posture corrector, keeping your hands, neck, and shoulders relaxed no matter how long you work. Typing in low light, the keyboard's gentle white LED backlight makes it easy to see your keys without straining your eyes. With 3 adjustable brightness levels, low, medium, and high, you can customize the illumination to fit any environment, day or night. Connectivity is a breeze with this keyboard. You can switch between Bluetooth and a 2.4G USB receiver, and connect up to 3 devices simultaneously. Switching devices takes just one press, making it ideal for multitasking across your computer, tablet, and phone. Compatibility covers a wide range of systems, including Windows 7, 8, and 10, Mac OS X 10, 12 or higher, Android 4, 3 Plus, and Microsoft systems. This versatility ensures it fits seamlessly into your existing setup without any hassle. Quiet and comfortable typing is guaranteed thanks to the scissor switch mechanism. Each keystroke registers with a fast rebound and minimal noise, while the scooped keys match the natural shape of your fingertips for quick, precise input. The keyboard also features ergonomically designed tilt legs that raise it to the perfect angle. Whether you're seated or standing, this helps keep your wrists in a relaxed, comfortable position, reducing the risk of strain over time. Battery life won't hold you back either. Equipped with a rechargeable 1100 mAh lithium battery, this keyboard offers up to 100 hours of use on a single full charge. That means fewer interruptions and more focus on your work. For added convenience, the keyboard includes PG Up, PGDN, Home, and End functions integrated into the direction keys. You can easily access these by pressing the FN key along with the arrow keys, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Users across the United States have praised this keyboard for its comfort and functionality. One software engineer highlighted the subtle ergonomic shape and comfortable wrist rest, making it perfect for long stretches of coding and late-night work. The backlighting stands out as bright and effective without being distracting, and the quiet yet tactile keys strike a great balance between feedback and noise level. Plus, the keyboard charges quickly, keeping you ready to go with minimal downtime. A neat magnetic feature on the back lets you store the USB receiver safely when it's not in use, reducing the risk of losing it and keeping your workspace tidy. This keyboard is designed for professionals who demand comfort, reliability, and versatility. It's an excellent choice if you want to reduce wrist strain without sacrificing performance or style. If you're looking for a wireless keyboard that supports your health and adapts to your busy lifestyle, this ergonomic model is worth a close look. It blends thoughtful design with practical features that make a real difference day to day. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your workspace. The combination of enhanced wrist support, quiet typing, multi-device connectivity, and long battery life creates a balanced experience that helps you stay productive and comfortable. In short, this wireless ergonomic keyboard isn't just another accessory. It's a tool that actively improves how you work, helping you maintain focus and ease even during the longest sessions. Consider making the switch today and feel the difference in your comfort and efficiency. Your wrists and your workflow will thank you.